let's try that our GitHub is working or not. So I'm just opening my command prompt here and try to clone the GitHub here. So when I click on the Git and just press enter, as you can see, it is telling me that Git is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch files. So what can we do now? So we'll just close this. For working the Git in the command prompt, we have to install the Git in our PC. So for that, I just write on a Google Chrome Git CLI on Windows. And when I just click it, as you can see, there's an option for Git download. We will go through it. And when we go through it, there are some options. There are options for Linux, macOS, and Windows. We will choose the Windows because we want for Windows only. There are again two options for 32-bit and 64-bit. We will choose the 64-bit Git for Windows setup. So when I just click on it here, the downloads is going on and it's in a progress. So let it be downloaded. So now my download is going to be done. It's when it is downloaded, then we have to do some setup. So as it is downloaded, I just click on it, and it's me asking for should I want this or not. So I want this. I just click on yes, and when I click on yes, so as you can see, this pop-up is coming out, and it's asking for the setup. You just do nothing when just click on the next, and just here also you have to click on the next. Everything is there, so you can do this next, and you have to just click on the next. So like you can see here now when you click on the next, now it's going to install, and now it's taking time for installing all the gits required. So it is installing in your computer. So now when it is installed in your computer, then after that you are be able to use the Git in your computer. And now as you can see, Git is installed in your computer. So now when it is installed, now you have to choose finish, and some website is opening. Now you have to just close this website. After that, when you open our command, so let's open our command. And when you write again on this command Git, now it's working fine. So now we can do whatever the things we want to do about our Git. So now let's get started and see how can you clone your repository on the command prompt. So let's see this. So for doing this, we again want to open our command prompt only. So we will open our command, and now we have to give the path on which folder we want to clone this repository. So for doing that, we will open our folders part, and we will go to desktop. On this desktop, I can create one folder. So I'll create one folder named as new folder only. So let me tell this enter, and after that we will just close it. And now you can give the path for similar way. So if you don't know how you have to give your path, then you can watch our video. Link is given in the description. Now, so let's move on. And how can you open a folder in this? Let's see. So I just go through it. So like I just go my folder. So this is my one is, and after that I want to go to the desktop. And in desktop, I want to go through the new folder. So I'll just write cd new folder. And when I click on it, as you can see, it is going to the cd new folder. After that, you want to clone this git folder into this new folder. You just write here git clone. And after writing git clone, you can go to your GitHub repository where you have created a repository. You can go to the HTTPS, and after going to this HTTPS, you can copy this on your clipboard and go to this command and just write and just paste it here. Okay, so now you can see this is cloned. After cloning this, now after cloning, okay, so now you can see it is cloned. So now after cloning this, you can see it is cloned. So now you can open your VS Code. So let me open my VS Code. Yeah, so now my VS Code is opened. So now I can open this folder from here. So this is my folder which I opened. So in this folder, you can see this README file is there in the name under data. So like as you can see here in the GitHub, I had opened this as a made this a data, and this is my repository which is shown here. You can see. So this is cloned to this GitHub and also cloned to the your repository. Okay. So thank you so much for this video. This is all. Okay. So okay. So now your folder is cloned. So now you can go to this your folder site and open your new folder, and you can see this data is there, folder is there, and in which this readme file is there. So now your command prompt is cloned, and now you can work on it. And from here you can go to the VS Code too if it is installed in your PC. So you can open with VS Code and do whatever you want to do. So like this commitment we have done, this commitment we have done in the through the repository, you can do from here too, and you can add files, you can do all the things from this VS Code and work through it. Thank you so much for